Guys, oh my god, my bed is here! Congratulations to me! I'm a new bed owner. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the description of this video, I'm now a new bed owner. I just had my customized bed. Sorry for the background noise. I just turned my gen so I can charge my phone. Normally weekends like this, there's no light, so bear with me and enjoy the vlog. Welcome. Guys, oh my god, my bed is here. Congratulations to me. I'm a new bed owner, customized stainless. Hey, baby, stainless. Don't play it. Don't play it. Let's go. Hey, guys, just got my customized bed. So you guys will be getting it in. And thank God, I have a new bed. I'm a new bed owner. I'm officially a new bed owner. And I'm so grateful for God. God has done in my life. Be grateful for the little things. And the big ones, I gotta count. Like, oh my God. So comfortable. Jeez. And guys, let me show you guys the view from the back. Like I couldn't even like eat because I was so excited about this. Oh my god, guys, you guys see what the Lord has done for me. Come and see what the Lord has done for me. Come and see what the Lord has done for me. If it were to be mine, I would really pay. Don't play. Thank you so much, Lord. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Do well to give the video a thumbs up. Don't worry, if you don't have a bed, God is gonna give you that bed. That dream of yours, God is gonna give it to you. Don't give up. Keep pushing, and you'll get to where you wanna go to. Don't give up. Stay motivated. You're stronger than you know. You're stronger than you think. Let's go back. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.